Yeah, how y'all doing? This is Sir Warrior Loft. Let's take a good look. I'm gonna leave my telephone number. Let me know. That's Big Daddy right here. This is all of his offspring. See the blue heads? Look at these birds real good. Y'all know what they are. That's Daddy right there. This is all of his offsprings. That's his daughter right there. Wow. That's his other daughter. Yeah. Look at that right there with the blue heads. Y'all know what these birds are. Y'all know my number. 212-951-1623. You want to just call me, give me a call. You want to talk about birds, talk about different medicines, different things like that. Y'all already know what we do. When you see them in cages, just call my number. It's okay. Peace and love, and God bless all of you. Look at these birds, are really good. Thing is, you got to look at their eye color. Your daddy eye color. He got gravel eye. Let us know. The whole family.